Good morning, sir.
Yes, yes. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you, sir?
Fine, fine. Doing great, Bhavani. So, yes, Bhavani, what's your qualification?
Masters in General Chemistry, sir.
Masters in General Chemistry. Where are you from, basically?
I'm from Vijaypur, Karnataka, sir.
Jaipur, Karnataka. Right. Yeah, Bhavani. Can you introduce yourself, Bhavani?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. First of all, I would like to say thanks for the giving me the opportunity to introduce myself.
Mm-hmm.
I am Bhavani Paule from Vijaypur, Karnataka, and I have completed my high school at Adarsh Vidyalaya, Mudde, Bihar. Further to continue my the education, I have a pursued science background at Oxford PU Science College, Nagarbetta. Then I have continued my education with BSc with a specialization of PCM at Basveshwar Science College, Bagalkot. Then I have completed my Masters in General Chemistry at KSAW Vijayapura, sir. During my academic year, I have focused on the project that extraction of natural dyes from rose and marigold petals and their antibacterial activity. Further, to enhance my skills, I have joined the QC individual training at Rainbow Pharma, Hebagodi, Bangalore. I hope this course will propel my career forward. And my hobbies include that photography and exploring the nature. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Bhavani. Totally, how many days you came to the Rainbow, Bhavani?
From January 21st to up to now, I came.
Acha, approximately 2 months, right?
Yes, sir. 2.5 months.
2.5 months you came to the Rainbow. So, can you tell me what other tests did you perform in Rainbow Pharma Training Lab in this approximately 70 days?
Yes, physical test and the chemical test, sir. Physical
Hmm.
test are description, average weight variation, friability, disintegration, Carl-Fisher reagent titrator, then hardness, sir. Then assay, dissolution, UOD, impurities, and residual solvents.
Okay. That means you operated HPLC and also you
Yes.
operated dissolution tester and also you operated all wet analysis, right? Okay. Yeah, Bhavani, can you tell me that what is the difference between the assay test and the dissolution test?
Sir, in assay test, we have to take the samples. We need to crush those tablets, and we used to put, sir. In dissolution, we don't crush the tablets, and we used to put that whole tablets only.
No, no. What is the basic definition? I'm not asking that how to make a samples. I'm
Yes.
asking that what is the basic difference between the assay test and dissolution test? What we are finding in assay, what we are finding in dissolution?
So in assay, we used to find out the percentage of drug present in a sample, sir.
Okay.
In dissolution, we used to find out the percentage of drug release from a sample.
Okay. Okay. So which HPLC did you operate to perform these tests?
Waters with HPLC waters with Empower Software 3.
Import 3.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, Bhavani, can you tell me what are the method validation parameters?
Accuracy, precision, robustness, ruggedness, limit of detection, limit of quantitation, and the linearity and the range, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me, Bhavani, what are the stability chamber conditions?
25 to 60, sir.
Okay.
Then 30 to 65, sir.
Okay.
35 to 75, 40 to 75.
Okay. Yeah, Bhavani, tell me, can you tell me how did you perform the dissolution by HPLC test?
Yes, sir. First, I have prepared the dissolution media, sir, according
Okay.
to STP, sir. Then I
Okay.
have put it that dissolution media in 6 bowls, sir. Then I have created the method, sir. After that, reaching up to 37 degrees Celsius, I have put it the tablets, sir. Then I have opened those tablets and running of the samples, sir. After 30 minutes, I have collected the samples from those 6 balls, sir.
Okay. Okay. So can you tell me the sample set? How do you inject into the HPLC?
Sample set, sir.
Sequence. I'm asking about the sequence.
Sequence. Okay. So first I have did with the blank, sir. Then
Okay.
standard 1, standard
Okay.
2, sir.
Okay.
Then sample 6 samples, sir.
Okay. So
Blank with
why do you prepare two standards, Bhavani? You say that blank standard 1, standard 2, right? So why
yes,
two standards? No, no. My question, did you understand my question? I'm
yes.
asking that you say that blank after that standard 1, standard 2, right? I'm asking that why two standards is required here?
I'm getting
Checking of similarity factor. Why we prepare the two standards?
similarity.
Checking of similarity
Similarity
factor. What is the
factor.
formula of similarity factor?
Area of standard 1 divided by area of standard 2 into concentration of the standard
Not
2 divided by
concentration.
weight of the standard 2 divided by weight of the standard 1.
Okay, what is the limit for that?
0.98 to 1.02.
0.02. Okay. So why do we inject the standard 2 5 times? In the sequence, generally, blank we inject the
Yes.
one time. Standard 1 we inject the one time. Okay. Standard 2 we generally inject the multiple times, right? Why we need to inject the standard multiple times?
Standard 2 5 times.
Why? Why do we inject the standard 2 5 times?
Sir, it will be mentioned in the STPs.
That's what. Why it is mentioned? There is a logic. There is a reason. Is there, right? So what is the reason? Okay. So we inject the standard 2 multiple times to check the percentage of RSD. RSD means relative standard deviation.
Standard deviation.
What is the limit of RSD?
RSD, sir.
Mm.
Plus or minus 5%.
No. RSD. Not more than?
Not more than 2%. Sir.
Okay. Can you tell, Bhavani, can you tell me what are the system suitability parameters?
Retention time, sir, resolution, tailing, theoretical plate, and the RSD, sir. Then this one's similar factors, sir.
Similarity factor.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. For example, Bhavani, if system suitability fails, then what you do? If system suitability fail, for example, you run the sample set in that SSTs fail, then what you do?
Then we used to inform the team leaders.
Okay, that's okay. Next, what you do?
Then they will move on with that.
Okay. You should raise some incident, right? LIR, lab incident report. Because the system suitability is failure, then you have to raise the incidents. Yes, Bhavani, can you tell me what is the difference between the OS and OOT?
OS. Sir, OS means out of specification, sir. OOT means out of trend, sir.
Okay.
Out of specification means that if the results are not within the specification limits, sir, then we raise that OS, sir. Then for OOT means if the results are within the limits, sir, but they doesn't match with the previous batch results, sir. That's why at that time we used to raise that OOT, sir, out of trend.
Okay. Great. Good answer. Yeah, Bhavani, can you tell me what are the HPLC calibration parameters?
HPLC, sir. Flow accuracy, sir. In that gradient and the isocratic, sir. Then temperature accuracy, wavelength accuracy, linearity of detector and the injector accuracy, and next noise and drift, sir. Then carryover test. Okay.
Yeah, Bhavani. Finally, so
yes,
you know you're from Karnataka and you completed your MSc in the Karnataka, and after that you joined in Rainbow Pharma Training Lab in Bangalore branch, right? So I think today I think this is the second interview. This is the final interview for you, right? So I'm okay with your interview, Bhavani. And if you answers you are unable to tell that you are not remember actually, that's okay. It's acceptable. But remaining all the interviews, what are the questions asked you? What are the answers you have given? These are right answers, and you are giving the very confidently. And eye contact is okay, but only you should improve that little bit smile in your face while giving of interview. That you should change it. Okay. Second, Bhavani, yes. Finally, I ask you one question to you. So, how do you feel entire the journey, Bhavani? Because I think this is the last interaction with you. So, what is your total experience with Rainbow Pharma Training Lab in Bangalore branch, Bhavani?
Yes, sir. First of all, I'm feeling like proud to be a part of this Rainbow Training Institute, sir.
Why, Bhavani? Why proud?
Because before coming here, I was only know about that basic knowledge of general chemistries, what are the subjects in, sir. After that coming here, I got the knowledge from industrial knowledge from starting to end, sir. But even I don't know that like this QC, QA, even departments also, I don't even anything also, I don't know about that industries, sir.
Okay.
But I, after coming here, I got every knowledge and the staff also gave me a good knowledge, and you also, sir, supported me a lot to take this all. And those especially virtual classes I liked most, sir, because when you are preparing in those videos, I feel like I'm only doing that practical. That is the main thing I like more here, sir.
Okay.
Then handling of the HPLC also I learned and now I can say that confidently I can handle that HPLC. Before coming here, We used to say that HPLC, I don't know anything about that, but after coming here, I got very much knowledge of handling of the HPLC, sir.
Okay, great, 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 Bhavani. That's we are looking, because we have very positive reviews from the different students. That's the reason we are spreading our Rainbow Pharma Training Lab in India.
Yes, sir.
So, you if you observe me, like, what are the classes you've gone through, to all the
Yes,
classes made by me only, but physically I may not be available. But every day I'm going to monitoring that how's going on the program and everything. Okay. And
yes,
Bhavani, is a finally one question to you. So
yes,
do you really feel that this training is really required for the freshers, because you completed your MSc? Okay,
yes,
if you try into the jobs, like, maybe reference or something, you may get an opportunity, right? But
yes.
still, why you came to the Rainbow? Why do you take a training? What do you feel?
Sir, if I go on without any course means I can't able to do the job there, sir. Because if we are entering to the industry means we need to know that every knowledge and every thing in what is the things are in the industries. This
Hmm.
is really very need for the freshers, sir. Because without any courses we can't go, sir. Even though if we got the job through reference means we don't know any that knowledge and we used to suffer a lot in the industries. But now I can say that I can do a work with my confident only. Alone I can handle everything. Alone I can do, sir.
Thank you.
So
Thank you,
this is
Bhavani.
very
Thanks.
need for the freshers, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Bhavani. Thanks for your information. Thanks for your review. Okay.